What's up, everybody? This is going to be 10.3. It's about perimeter and area of similar figures. So if you remember, similar means it has a similar scale factor, kind of like we did with those projects where we took a picture and we kind of blew it up by a certain scale factor and we got those big posters that are still hanging in my room and are still pretty cool, and I miss seeing those things every day. So ratio of sides is side length of polygon 1 and side length of polygon 2 is going to be A over B, or A to B. Again, you can write this as A to B, and that's fine. Ratio of perimeters. Perimeters, if we remember, have the same ratio as sides, A to B. Or you can write this as A to B. That's fine as well. And then area of polygon 1, area of polygon 2. So normally when we write in units, it's going to be when we write in units, say if this was like centimeters, ratio of sides, well, we measure sides in centimeters, we measure perimeter in centimeters, but in areas, we measure in centimeters squared. So this is going to be A squared compared to B squared, which you can write as A squared, ugly looking too, A squared to B squared. So ratio of sides, if it's 4 to 5, the perimeter has to share the same similarity. But ratio or area, we are squaring everything. So 4 squared is 16 and 5 squared is 25. Ratio, okay, so that's it for that one. If I have ratio of perimeters 9 to 10, ratio of sides and ratio of perimeters are exactly the same. And then ratio of areas, we're going to square it. So 9 squared is 81 and 10 squared is 100. So if I'm given 36 and 49, and if this is like a squared, how do I get rid of the square? Square root. The square root of 36 is 6. Square root of 49 is 7. And perimeter and sides are exactly the same, 6 to 7. That was a terrible looking 6. There we go. Okay, so the polygons that I give you are similar. We got to find the ratio of the perimeter and areas, then find the unknown area. So for this, it gives us the area is 15 feet squared, but I'm given 5 to 2. So if I do 5 to 2, I can multiply whatever I have here by 5 over 2 to get here. But so this is the ratio of the perimeter. If I square both of these, the area is 5 squared is 25, and then 2. I'm going to erase this. Oops, sorry. 5 to 10, which simplifies down to 1 to 2. And if I square both of these, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. There we go. So this one's the perimeter, this one's the area ratio. But we got to find the unknown area for this. We don't know what it is. So we have 1 to 4. Why did I write 2? 1 to 4. And that is equal, well, the area of our little rectangle is 15. We don't know the area of the other one, so I'm going to say x. And this is just cross multiplying. So 1 times x is x, 15 times 4 is 60, and we're looking for area, and area, our unit, is feet squared. All right. So for this, we have 9 compared to 6, which is 3 compared to 2. So this is our perimeter. If I square both of these, I get 9 to 4, and that's our area. And to find the unknown area, I'm going to set it up as a ratio. 9 over 4 equals the bigger triangle we don't know, we'll say x, and the smaller triangle is 18. I can kind of cancel things out. That's 2, that's 1. So when I cross multiply, 4x is equal to, oops, I don't want to do that. What color? This is a nice color. 9 to 4 equals x to 18. If I cross multiply, 4x is equal to 162. X comes out to be 40.5, and I'm running out of room here, centimeters squared. All right, last one. So it gives us the area. The area is 100 to 36, which we can simplify down to 25 to 9. And if I take the square root of those, perimeter, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 9 is 3. It's the ratio for the perimeter or the sides. So we're looking for this. I'm going to call that x. So as a ratio, we have 5 compared to 3 is equal to, we know the bigger side is 8, and we don't know this, so x. If I cross multiply, man, 5x is equal to 24, so x is equal to 24 over 5, and that is inches. If you want to write that as a decimal, it is 4.8 centimeters or inches, and that's perfectly fine. And that's all I got for you guys. Please let me know if you have questions. I am having an office hour. If you just want to, if you need help with anything, pop in, or if you just want to say hi, you're more than welcome to do that as well. Hope you guys are doing well. Oh, good Netflix recommendation for you guys. The Good Place. It's pretty funny. I just got into it. I'm a little late to that show, but it's pretty good. And it's a quick watch. Each episode's like 20 minutes. But hope you guys are doing well. Miss you.